a traveling coat hanger. We get into locations where we just don't have a hanger. So when I saw this, I'm like, okay, this could be a space saver. Standard hangers are a little bit tricky when you're packing them. So let's see. Coat hanger. Okay. Everything is in Chinese, so I don't understand. So let's just open it. So the idea is it's foldable, and there it is. It's quite light, plastic, and simple as that. And now you have a hanger. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. I don't even know what to say at this point. So you have two hinges, one on each side for the first fold. And you have another one in the center for the final fold. And there it is. So you can pack a lot of these in your bag. You will never be left hanging. Get it? Hanger, left hanging. That's not funny. It's a simple product that really blows my mind sometimes. This is perfect. And it cost me much. I can't remember how much I paid for it. Foldable coat hanger, traveling coat hanger, very light. There you go. I mean, if you're a businessman, a traveling businessman, traveling salesman, I think this is legit. I can't recommend this enough. Straight up. Come on. You need to get this, all right? Hey, I'm done with this video because I don't need to talk any further.